Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu Rathore. I take care of this initiative from Escorts Club Solution called Traxi. So today I'll walk you through what is this Traxi platform and all that is needed and to join our team. So I'll start with why this all concept of Traxi comes in. So friends, the Indian land holdings is say very small. It's less than 85% of our farmers are less than 2 hectare. So the low land holding does not permit our farmers to own the advanced farm machinery, say more than 2 or 3 lakh rupees. And it does not make economic sense. There is no affordability or return on that asset, say for individual farmer owning less than 2 hectare of land. So what is the solution? So solution comes around by providing these advanced farm machineries on a taxi model. So that is where the term taxi comes into picture. So providing the advanced farm machinery on a pay-per-use or a taxi model is the taxi platform. So we provide the advanced farm mechanization solution on pay-per-use rental model where a farmer does not have to invest the capital investment, and he does not have to worry about the maintenance, uh, the EMI, all that thing. And what we are doing is we are indigenizing the global advanced farming technologies and delivering those mechanization services on pay-per-use format. So our vision is to offer world's best farm machinery and technologies to Indian farmer. So there are two key stakeholder of our business. One is farmer, so that is the ultimate consumer of the all the entire services that we offer, and our mission is to bring the advanced farm machinery, farming technology, and solutions to the farmer in an affordable manner. And the another stakeholder is the entrepreneur who is serving those farmers on a grassroots level. So our mission is to build a sustainable ecosystem of rural entrepreneur for farm mechanization services. So historically in India, there is a concept called custom hiring center. Custom hiring centers are basically the centers from where the farm mechanization services was supposed to be delivered to the farmer on the rental or pay-per-use basis. So we have adopted the digital intervention on the traditional custom hiring centers at each stage of machine life cycle. So machine life cycle starts when an entrepreneur buy a new machine. So the entrepreneur can buy the farm machinery on Traxi showroom where where our promise is advanced and affordable solution to the entrepreneur. We are also supporting the entrepreneur through financing and leasing program. And then there is a key once he has bought the machinery, this immediate next thing key where he would get the business for this. So we are supporting the entrepreneur through business and income commitment for that machinery so that he can earn a decent living out of it. Then comes up the question of the repair maintenance of that machine. So we have developed a module called Traxi Workshop, where we are providing the maintenance services to the entrepreneur machine on call, on site fashion, so that his machine uptime is significantly improved. So entrepreneur would also need to know where his machine is, uh, whether engine is on, work is going on or not, travel time, work time, history, all that tracking telematics support. So for that and we have developed Traxi tracking. So Traxi tracking is a telematics or IoT related features where we can say give alerts, information, uh, the action item to the entrepreneur for that machine, and to support the finance and accounting of the the farm services business, we have given accounts module where entrepreneur can add farmers, create bookings, cash receipt, payments, expenses, ledgers, etc. And we are also supporting the when the entrepreneur has utilized the machine for the useful life of the machine, he can also sell the farm machinery through the Traxi platform, Traxi showroom itself. So we are covering the entire machine life cycle through our digital intervention. And with all the exercise, we are making the farm machinery adoption a pleasant experience or a good experience to the entrepreneur. Coming to the Traxi operating model. So how we are delivering the advanced farm mechanization services on pay-per-use basis. So initially we company invest on the new age machines to promote mechanization. So once any new machines comes to India, we ourselves invest on that machine so that the confidence of the stakeholder, the entrepreneur develops. And once the confidence of the entrepreneur develops, the entrepreneur or the Traxi partner also invest on the advanced farm machinery. And these the entrepreneur or Traxi partner, they do the demand generation, booking, scheduling, service delivery, collection payments to the farmers. And on farmer side, farmer can avail our services through the app, the call center, walk into the Traxi partner outlet and get the services. So our promise to the Traxi partner is they'll get the assured business through Traxi platform and they'll get the timely payments. And our assurance to the farmer is they'll get the services through advanced machine, standardized quality, and on pay-per-use format. Recently, we have also tied up with the institutional partner to do the large-scale farming services project, grower engagement assignments, etc. So far, we have given services to more than a lakh farmer, and we have served more than 2 lakh of acres. Till now we have onboarded more than 1000 agri entrepreneurs and 500 plus operator partner on our platform. We are the only I would call it a profitable business model so far on agri services side. So this is all about Traxi and Escorts Club Solution Initiative. Thank you guys. For any question, queries, stay connected. Write to us, call us. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.